Google Search Console is a tool provided by Google to measure your website traffic and also fix issues and make your site rank high in Google for good experience. In this video, I will walk you through how to use Google Search Console for your website. So let's get started. First of all, you need to visit Google Search Console by visiting the following link. Then you need to log in using your Gmail account. I have already logged in. Now, when you land on the following page, it will ask you to add a property. I have already added the property, which is a domain. You can add property by clicking Add Property. Then it will give you two options to set your property, by domain and by URL prefix. We have made a separate video in which we showed how to set up your property in Google Search Console. You can watch this video. The link is provided in the description. Now let's go through. First, once you complete the setup for your website, it might take 48 hours before Google Search Console will start collecting the data. So you need to be patient about that. Now we are in the overview section of Google Search Console. It shows us the performance such as total web clicks, indexing status, such as is our website pages are indexing or not. The experience tab shows the core web vitals for mobile and desktop. And under enhancement, it's showing us the breadcrumbs and discussion form, which shows that which parts of the website which can be improved. Now we will go in the performance tab. In the performance tab, which is the main tab which you should look for when looking for your website performance, and it is the most important part of the Google Search Console or the purpose of it. Here you can see we have some filters of number of days. Then there are some parameters such as total clicks, total impressions, average CTR and average position. We have currently checked the total clicks, total impressions. When we click average CTR, it shows us the current click-through rate. Then we can also check the average position. The total clicks shows that how many times your website was clicked during the last 3 months period, because we have selected the time period of 3 months. The total number of clicks is 11. That means in the last 3 months, our website was clicked 11 times and it has appeared actually for 52 times, which is total impressions. So when someone has searched for a specific query which content is available on our site, it was shown about 52 times, and out of which it was clicked 11 times, which equals to the CTR, which is 21.2%, which means our current CTR is 21%. That means the average position shows that our average position is 20. Then if you scroll down, you will find the queries. Queries means that the top queries are top searches by any specific user. So it also shows the number of clicks and number of impressions. Then there is a section of pages. It shows that which pages are performing well. The country shows the traffic sources. The devices shows the device type such as desktop or mobile. Then there are search performance and days as well. Now I will walk you through URL inspection tool and show you the purpose of it. Basically, the URL inspection tools allows you to check any specific page or post status in the Google. For example, we have the following post. We will copy the URL of this post and paste it here and click search. It will tell us the current Google index status, whether our website is available or not. This specific URL shows that this URL is currently not available on Google. So we can request indexing to Google to help us index this faster. There are other sections as well, such as pages. You can find the performance of your website pages here. Then you can find the pages status such as the not found pages here. Make sure to fix your not found pages because it will hurt your ranking. Now, there is a section called Sitemap. Sitemap is basically a simple map which tells Google the map of our website so it can crawl our site better. You can watch the following video to set your sitemap and submit it in Google Search Console. We have already submitted our sitemap here. The removal section basically allows you to remove any specific page from Google. You can use this tool and request to remove the pages. The experience tab is another important section. It tells you the current performance, which are core web vitals. It shows how your website is performing in mobile and in desktop. So you need to fix your website technically and make it load faster. The HTTP status is also an important factor. It shows you which pages are served over HTTP and which are not. Make sure your all pages are served on HTTP. Then we have an enhancement section which shows us the breadcrumbs, and there is a discussion form as well. Under security and manual actions, it shows you any issue related to security. Make sure to review this and fix if you have any specific issue. The achievement section shows your website achievements each month. So it's useful tool as well. Finally, you have a settings section where you can find all important settings of Google Search Console. For example, under ownership verification, is showing us that we have verified using all three methods. There are other important settings as well. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.